A very delightful morning to all my dear little stars. Staying at home and not having to wake up early might be fun, but missing school and friends is really hard. We've learned so many things in grammar, but today we are going to learn about a writing skill which is letter writing. Before we dive into the format of writing a letter, let's understand what actually is a letter. A letter is a written or printed message that you send to somebody. It can be any written message that you might want to convey to maybe your friends, family, teachers, school, etc. There are two types of letters that we are going to learn: formal letter and informal letter. A formal letter is a letter that is written to the principal of the school, your class teacher, your subject teacher, or maybe to the office. An informal letter is a letter that is written to friends, family, relatives, etc. The language used in both these letters is quite different, but in this session, we are going to learn about formal letter writing. So let's understand the format for writing a letter. So first is the sender's detail. Who is the sender? The person who is writing the letter is the sender. Then you write the date on which you are writing the letter. Then comes the receiver or the person to whom you are writing the letter to. Once you have put up all these details, we need to start with a greeting. So whenever we meet somebody, we would say hi, hello, how are you, and so on. So when we write a letter, we greet the person. The body of the letter is the content of the letter or the reason for which you are writing the letter. The letter is ended with a closing. Then in the end comes the name or the signature of the sender. Let's learn it in brief. So if you are the sender, you have to put information like the name, roll number, standard, name of the school. So here we have taken Dev Mehta. His roll number is 15 and standard 4th A. We have put the school's name as Baroda High School, ONGC. Next we put today's date, which is 19th of October 2020. Then we write the information as to whom are we writing the letter to. So here we can write either to class teacher or the principal of Baroda High School, ONGC in Vadodara. Now, when we are writing to our class teacher or principal, we would usually write respected madam or sir. Other ways could be sir or madam or even dear sir or madam. We write the body of the letter. Here we take an example that Dev is writing a leave application as he has a religious function at his house tomorrow. So he writes, I am Dev Mehta from class 4th A. I am writing this letter to inform you that I have got a religious function at my house and will not be able to attend school tomorrow. So I kindly request you to grant me leave on 20th of October 2020. Now, once we have given the reason, we need to end our letter by writing either yours faithfully, yours obediently, or yours sincerely. At the end, we write the name of the sender or maybe a signature of the sender. So here we write Dev Mehta. Let's understand the entire format with the help of an example. So first we write the details of the sender. Varsha Singh, roll number 24, 4th D, Baroda High School, ONGC. Then we write the date 19th October 2020. Then we write the receiver's details, the class teacher, Baroda High School, ONGC, Vadodara. Then we put a greeting, respected madam. Then the body. I am Varsha Singh from class 4D. I am writing this letter to inform you that I will not be able to attend school for the next 2 days on account of my sister's marriage. So, I kindly request you to grant me 2 days leave, that is on 20th and 21st of October. Then we put the closing, yours faithfully, and at the end name, Varsha Singh. So dear children, in this letter we have covered all the points to be taken care of while writing a letter. I hope you all have understood it. With this, we come to the end of this topic. Thoroughly go through the video and try to understand in detail the format of a formal letter and also practice it writing in your notebooks. Stay safe, take care. Thank you.